Welcome to the YPCE Nature Connections program, a year-round forest and nature-inspired program designed for children ages 1 to 5 years and their accompanying parent or caregiver. Operated on YPCE's 48 acres of farm property in Mount Albert, this weekly program provides children and families the opportunity to connect outdoors to explore and learn. Guided by our team of certified forest and nature school educators, this program offers a chance for families to integrate nature into their child's everyday life, learn about forest and nature school values and principles, connect with a like-minded community, and build new friendships. A typical morning in the program includes opportunities to hike along the natural trails, play in the mud kitchen, create using natural materials, explore the environment through hands-on activities, run, jump, balance and swing, sing, drum, and move together. It is truly a place like no other. To learn more about the program, please visit www.ypce.com/Nature Connections.